त्रयोविंशः सर्गः The 23rd chapter इत्युक्त्वा मैथिलीं राजा रावणः शत्रुरावणः सन्दिश्य च ततः सर्वा राक्षसीर्निर्जगामः. Having spoken thus to Maithili, King Ravana, the tormentor of enemies, commanded all the Rakshasis of their task and departed. Nishkrante Rakshasendre tu punarantah purangate Rakshasyo bhima rupastah Sitam samabhidudruvuhu. As soon as the Lord of Rakshasas returned to his palace, the ferocious Rakshasis ran towards Sita. Tatah Sitamupagamya Rakshasyah krodhamurchitah Param parushaya vacha Vaidehimidamabruvan. And then, reaching Devi Sita, with their senses lost in rage, they started speaking to Vaidehi in these harsh words. Paulastyasya varishthasya Ravanasya mahatmanah Dashagrivasya bharyatvam Site na bahumanyase. O Sita, you have no regard for the stature of being the wife of the great 10-headed Ravana, the foremost grandson of sage Pulastya. Tatastveka jatanama Rakshasi vakyamabravit Amantrya krodhatam rakshi Sitam karatalodarim. Then one of those Rakshasis by the name of Ekajata addressed Devi Sita of a slender waist and spoke thus. Prajapatinam shannantu Chaturtho yah prajapatihi Manaso brahmanah putrah Pulastya iti vishrutah. Out of the 6 Prajapatis, who are the mind-born sons of Lord Brahma, the 4th of them is renowned as sage Pulastya. Pulastyasya tu tejasvi Maharshirmanasah sutah Namna savishrava nama Prajapati samaprabhah. Of this radiant sage Pulastya, there was a son who equaled the Prajapatis in their radiance, called as Vishravas. Tasya putro Vishalakshi Ravana Shatru Ravanaha Tasya tvam Rakshasendrasya Bharya bhavitumarhasi Mayoktam charu sarvangi Vakyam kim nanumanyase. Of Vishravas, O beautiful-eyed one, there was a son who is the tormentor of enemies, called as Ravana. Of that Lord of the Rakshasas, you deserve to be the wife. O one with beautiful limbs, do you not agree with what I said? Tato harijatanama Rakshasi vakyamabravit Vivartyanayani kopan marjara sadrishekshana. And then a Rakshasi by the name of Harijata, rolling her cat-like eyes out of anger, spoke the following words. Yena devastrayastrinshad deva rajascha nirjitaha Tasya tvam rakshasendrasya Bharya bhavitumarhasi. The one by whom all the 33 Devas and their lord Indra were all defeated, you deserve to be the wife of that Lord of Rakshasas. Tatastu praghasanama Rakshasi krodhamurchita Bhartsayanti tadaghoramidam vachanamabravit. And then a Rakshasi by the name of Praghasa, overwhelmed with anger, spoke these harsh words deriding Devi Sita. Viryotsiktasya shurasya संग्रामेषु निवर्तिनः बलिनो वीर्ययुक्तस्य भार्या त्वं किं न लप्स्यसे. Why would you not want to be the wife of the one who is valiant, courageous and mighty, and the one who never returns unvictorious in battle? Priyam bahumatam bharyam tyaktva raja mahabalaha sarvasancha mahabhagam tvamupaishyati ravanaha. The great and mighty King Ravana leaves his beautiful and agreeable wife among all others and comes to seek you. Samriddhan stri sahasrena nana ratnopashobhitam antahpuram samutsrijya tvamupaishyati ravanaha. Abandoning the palace which is rich with thousands of beautiful women and various kinds of jewels, King Ravana comes to seek you. Anya tu vikata nama rakshasi vakyam abravit asakrit devata yuddhe naga gandharva danavaha nirjitah samareyena sate parshvamupagataha. Another Rakshasi by the name of Vikata said, the one by whom various Devatas, Nagas and Gandharvas were defeated in battle at once has come to be at your side. Tasya sarva samriddhasya Ravanasya mahatmanah kimadya rakshasendrasya bharyatvanechhase dhame. O lowly woman, do you not wish to be the wife of that great and abundantly equipped Ravana today? Tatastu durmukhi nama rakshasi vakyam abravit yasya suryo natapati bhito yasya cha marutah navatismayatapange kim tvam tasya natisthasi. And then a Rakshasi by the name of Durmukhi said, out of the fear of whom even the sun doesn't burn and the wind doesn't blow, O one with a long and beautiful glance, do you not wish to stay with such great Ravana? Pushpa vrishtincha taravo mumuchuryasya vaibhayat shailascha subhrupaniyam jaladascha yadechhati. Out of the fear of whom trees shed a torrent of flowers and mountains shed streams of water, O one with beautiful eyebrows. Tasya nairrita rajasya rajarajasya bhamini kim tvam na kurushe buddhim bharyarthe ravanasya hi. Of that King of Kings who rules over the southwest, O radiant one, why do you not wish to be the wife of that great Ravana? Sadhu te tattvato devi kathitam sadhu bhamini grihana susmite vakyamanyatha na bhavishyasi. O radiant lady with a gentle smile, we have given you this advice, keeping your own well-being in mind. Accept this advice or you may not remain alive. Ityarshe Shrimad Ramayane Sundarakande Trayovimsha Sargaha. Thus, the 23rd chapter in Sundarakanda of Valmiki Ramayanam is complete.